Hey everybody! Okay, so today we're going to go over how to use 3D objects to draw something from observation with a light source. This is something we did earlier in the year, and now's a perfect opportunity that we're all cooped up in our homes to grab something from around the house and to draw it. So let's do that now. Okay. All right. So I have here a pencil, which is a perfect object to draw. Okay, so notice the pencil is made up of a cone, a cylinder, and a cylinder. Okay, so let's start off with the cone part. It's kind of elongated, thin cone. Okay. Alrighty, now I'm going to use another pencil to try to get the lines a little straighter than what I normally do, but I'm still using hairy lines. Okay, now let's finish that off. Okay, here's the barrel for the eraser, and here's the eraser. Okay, so up here where the lead is, we're going to color that in a little bit. Okay, and now over here, notice we have these sort of sharpener lines, so let's make those there. Okay, now we have these sort of planes on the side of the pencil that gives us a place for shadow. So I'm going to lightly sketch that in. There, okay. And now on the metal part, we've got this stripe. We have these kind of lines. We have another stripe. And there we go. Okay. Alright, so let's shade the side of the cone a little bit, and now let's shade the side of the pencil. Okay, now notice it's a little bit darker here, and there's a highlight there, and it's dark there, or at least from where I can see it. Okay. Light and dark. And then we're going to make the eraser a little bit darker because it's darker than the rest of the pencil. And there we go. Okay. Now I'm going to lightly shade in the rest of the pencil because it is darker than the paper it's laying on. Now what I can do is I can outline a little bit darker . There we go. Those hairy lines. Okay, and the last thing to do is to label pencil. And that's how we draw 3D objects. We draw things from observation using 3D objects, rather. So find something around the house and render it with light and shadow. See you next time.